Hello everyone. In the previous class, we have completed chapter 5, and today we are going through the new words in chapter 5. The first new word is sexual reproduction. Production of new plants from seeds by involving the fusion of male and female gamete. So, what is a sexual reproduction? Sexual reproduction is the production of new plants from seeds by the help of the male and female gamete, means reproductive cell. Then zygote, the fertilized cell formed after the combination of a male and a female gamete. So zygote means it is a fertilized cell. It is forming after the combination of a male and a female reproductive cell. Fertilization, the fusion of male and female gamete leading to formation of a zygote. Embryo, a young plant in the very early stages of development before birth. Germination, the development of a new plant from a seed under the right environmental condition. So what is germination? Germination is the development of a new plant from a seed under the right condition of air, light, warmth and water. Cotyledons, the leaves present on a seed. The leaves present on a seed, the another name of this is known as cotyledons. Vegetative reproduction, production of new plants from the stem, root and leaf of a plant. So the production of the new plants not from the seed but from other vegetative parts such as stem, root and leaf of a plant known as vegetative reproduction. These are the new words given in chapter 5. Next, we solve the exercises of chapter 5, page number 54. First exercise, name the following. Outer covering of a seed. Seed coat. The part of a seed that contains stored food for a baby plant. Seed leaves. Parts of a plant from which new plants can grow. Seeds. The part that carries the pollen grains to the ovule. Pollen tube. The process of scattering of the seeds away from the mother plant. Seed dispersal. Exercise 2. Choose the correct options. Seed leaves are also known as cotyledons. Underground stems such as potato and ginger have dash on them. Eyes. Which of the following plants can be grown by the process of stem cutting? Rose. The fusion of male and female gametes is called fertilization. Bryophyllum reproduces from its leaves. Mature ovaries develop into fruit. Flowers are reproductive organs of a plant. The seeds of a coconut plant are dispersed by water. Next, exercise 3, filling the blanks, page number 55. The production of new plants from the vegetative parts of a plant is called vegetative reproduction. Bryophyllum has buds around the edges of its leaves which develop into tiny plantlets. The ovules grow into seeds and the ovary grows into fruit. The seeds of datura and burdock have hooks which get stuck to the fur of animals and are carried away for dispersal. Do all these exercises, exercise 1, 2 and 3 in the textbook and also in the copy. Thank you. Have a nice day.